Assalamu alaikum everyone, and ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Bitcoin Update. Right, so we are trading at 20,700. Looking at what Bitcoin is trying to do right now, we've pretty much broken out of the downtrend. We've pretty much even broken out of this weekly resistance that it was so badly rejected right over here. Now what I can say is on the weekly is the following. All right, so if you're looking for a continuation to move higher, on the daily this looks like a bear flag. On the weekly, you potentially have a double bottom in the making. Okay, so that's gonna be your first bottom and a second bottom. So both time frames are gonna be taken into consideration because this is important. At this point, talking about Bitcoin is really important, especially this zone that you look at right here. Okay, do you remember on the 4-hour time frame when we talked about that 30 days long consolidation right here? And I told you that for us to continue higher, we must break out of this consolidation and either break to the downside or to the upside, right? The same thing can be said about on the weekly time frame. So if you bring in the weekly as well, you have this consolidation or maybe a potential double bottom, and for us to continue and seal down the downtrend and bottom out from here, you do have 19,000 as your absolute support. The door to go down to 8,000 is still not closed. I'm gonna talk about that one in a while. So from here, take that neckline right over there, and if you speak about this double bottom right here playing out, come back up to 24,000, break above and go to 26,400. Then, my friend, you have done something incredible. You come down here, you back test, you hold the back test, put a tick there, and we go all the way from there to there, and we're looking for Bitcoin to actually continue higher to 31,000. And not only do you do that, but when you come up here, you're going to have another potential pattern to break out of. So go to 33, come back here, back test, and then boom, that's your ticket to 50,000. You break, that means you've broken the downtrend and you've started a new trend, and that was your potential bottom. And then from here, bull run continues. And that's pretty much it. Well, I'm going to actually show you the monthly time frame because it's not out of the water just yet. So let me bring in the monthly time frame. We do have a technical target. Yesterday I talked about this one to go up to 21,794. And by the way, before I go into the monthly, I just noticed that you do have a small curve pattern right there, a potential rounded bottom right here. You can see that. So yeah, you're coming up to that resistance. Look at that, very clear. Okay, so that technical target takes you to 21,700 as I told you yesterday, but it seems like you do have that resistance number 2 and number 3 right there. So all you want to do is come up here, break out, back test, and then boom, and the next technical target is going to take you from the top to the bottom right there, just a little bit lower, and this is going to take you all the way up to 25,000 and breaking up that double bottom as well. So it's going to be a big question mark right at 21,700 if you can continue or get rejected and then boom, move to the lowest part of it. So the monthly, we still have like 3-4 days to close the monthly, so let's see how you do that. Break and continue, that will be amazing. And that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.